G'day guys, what's going on? I'm Shaneco, this is the Shaneco HD channel. Thanks for joining me. Welcome back if you're a subscriber. Welcome for the first time if it's your first time here. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel and like the video if you do. Today is Sunday, May 26th. I don't even know what the day is. So today is Sunday, May 26th, and I have been at CollectorCon. So normally I get down to CollectorCon, sometimes I'll take my camera with me and do some filming there. Today I didn't do any filming, I just wanted to have a real good look around. Met up with one of my buddies down there, Reese, and he joined me and we both had a look around. And I'm going to show off sort of what I got. It's sort of a toy haul, mainly a card haul today, so let's have a look. First things first, it is a Fortnite Mako glider pack. So I've got a couple of the Fortnite figurines now and I'm really getting into them. I do enjoy them. They're really good quality figurines. This is a McFarlane piece, I'm pretty sure. It doesn't say on this straight away, but yeah, I'm sure it's McFarlane. It is very lovely. So this was a bargain. I picked this up from one of the fellas for $10 and I didn't even notice it sitting there until my buddy Reese pointed it out, so cheers for that one, mate. Good, nice one. So that's the first thing. And that's going to look sick on display. Alright, keeping it in the Fortnite theme. There was another card seller there, I didn't quite get his name, and really nice bloke, but I had a bit of a chat with him. And he was one of the only dudes there on the day with Fortnite cards. And I do love myself some Fortnite cards. If you've been around the channel before, you've probably seen me open some Fortnite cards. Here it is, a mega box, Series 3 mega box. So, including in this is 2 crystal shards, and that's what I'm really after in this, the shards. Anything else is a bonus in this, but the shards is sort of what you're buying these for. And I couldn't help myself, I went back around and got a second one because I love them, man. These Fortnite cards, and I think they're going to go places. Not now, but in the future. And then he also had he had 3 boxes of S1, so Series 1 Italy print. So Italy print is not as desirable as the US print, but it is still very desirable packs. So he had, I think it was about $395 on a box of these. He had an open box. Open box is always a bit sus, but I went for it and I just snapped up 4 of them.
The box. You opened it.
So you're probably going to see them on some YouTube shorts, no doubt, no doubt. These ones I'll probably try and crack on live. So make sure you subscribe so you know when I'm going live. So normally in these haul videos I try and get lots of Simpsons stuff, but what I've found this time is there's not too much Simpsons stuff. I actually like I've got a lot of stuff, so what I'm seeing down there, I've got it all already. One thing I didn't have last time, I picked up a couple of these little from the Kellogg's cereal boxes, is a little hand squirter. So if you've seen my last CollectorCon video, I did pick up a few of these. I'll try and get that on the roll B. So that is the one and only Simpsons thing I brought. So that's quite unusual. I'm normally getting heaps of Simpsons stuff, but yeah, this time not so much.
Not so much.
One thing I do get into and I have been enjoying lately is Disney pins. I'm a big fan of pins. I've got heaps of pins now. But yeah, Disney pins are quite hard to get down here in Australia. CollectorCon, there's Disney pins dudes, Disney people down there that selling them. So I picked up this lovely Mickey Mouse 2024 and also nice Epcot one. So I'm pretty happy about that. Nice pickups there, a couple of Disney pins, lovely. And then one thing, or look, not one thing, the next thing is, I forget that fella's name, but you all know him. He's got the big Ninja Turtle store. I've seen in one of my last videos I was watching that he actually had a few of these on the shop, and I missed them last time I was there in person, and I actually seen them on maybe my video, or maybe one of Keep On Collecting a video. I think you've seen them there too. So I picked up some connectables, Matchbox connectables. These ones are actual ones I had from my childhood. And there they are there. Yeah, so like I was saying, these Matchbox connectables, super cool, ones from my childhood. I'm pretty sure the trainer had in a different colour, but this very nice. That was my haul from the Collecticon. We've got some Fortnite cards, Fortnite glider pack, which I'm super impressed about this. This is going to look real cool with a figurine underneath it. Fortnite, the connectables and the Disney pins. We love getting the Disney pins from the pin traders down there. That's awesome fun. And the Simpsons. We got to always have something Simpsons. So next time check it out. And I don't think I showed off my Mr. Plow jacket yet. We'll do that right at the end. Here we go, Mr. Plow jacket. If you see me down there, the Collecticon today, you see me wearing this one, Mr. Plow jacket. It's pretty exclusive getting this one. So shout out to Zing for that one. And that's about it, guys. That wraps up my card and toy haul for the Collecticon for, I forget the date again. What's the date? May 26th. Yeah, 26th of May. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, like I said at the start of the video. And keep a lookout for the unboxings of the Fortnite cards. We're going to do them very shortly. I'll do the mega boxes on a live, and we'll just probably chuck some shorts in and do some shorts for these ones. So that'll be exciting too. Fingers crossed for a Black Knight Holo. That'll be really cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later. Peace.